Hi everyone, my name's Andy Hill. I'm with North American Motor Car. I'd like to show you our newest addition, a 1966 Mercury m100 pickup. Wow, what a sight. Beautiful restoration. Every nut and bolt was either repaired or replaced. Look at the lines on this. The original toolbox in place. Just absolutely stunning. Wow. Have you ever seen one of those? If you have, it's rare. They only made these Mercury pickup trucks in Canada. This particular truck came off a farm prior to its frame-off restoration. Every detail was not overlooked, I have to say. Look at how beautiful the inside is. The door cards, the zippered pockets. Wow, I have to say, absolutely beautiful. No detail was left unnoticed. This truck even has its original key tags on it from the factory with the numbers still on them. Wow, have to say, really nice. Doors close beautifully. Do you see the Mercury hubcaps? Wow, super nice. Wait until you see this motor. Wow, can you say beautiful? Extensive detail. Look at the original hose clamps. Just beautiful. The original windshield washer bucket. Bag, actually. Wow, 352 V8. Simply beautiful. Original lamp. And it does work. It does work, that's for sure. Listen, if you're interested in this truck, it's for sale for half the renovation costs. Over $80,000 in the restoration. This truck can be yours for $39,900. And I have to say, you can't build this truck for that money. What a great deal. If you're interested, give us a call. 1-866-56-Motor. We're North American Motor Car. 1-866-56-Motor. Ask for me, Andy Hill.